Yes, honey, yes. You look good. You better hype yourself up, girl. Nobody else will, okay? Welcome, 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 welcome in. Welcome back, y'all. It is Dream Cultivation, okay? This is your girl, Clarice, and we are back with another video. I'm about to light this candle. Hold on. I am super duper excited for this video because I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, and I finally decided to do it. So we are going to jump in. 2023 is surely approaching very quickly, and as you guys can see, but you probably didn't even notice, I have my 2022 vision board on my desktop. And so I love this. This is probably my most favorite vision board ever. But today we are talking about vision boards. I used to do vision boards with the gals, with the girls, you know what I'm saying? I used to do vision boards with the girls, but I never really hung mine up. I really just went to the vision board party for the link up, just to be with my girls, but I never hung it up because it just looked ugly to me. And I know people be saying, you know, do the vision board and it's not about aesthetic. Let me tell you something, okay? My vision board gonna serve two purposes. It's gonna talk about the dream, right? It's gonna show the dream, so every time I see it, I'm reminded of my goals for the year and what I'm reaching towards. But it's also gonna look good, okay? Because I can't. It's not in me to put up a vision board that's hideous. And so I did it for fun. My vision boards actually were cute. I just felt like they didn't work with the aesthetic of my room or my vibe. Like, it was fun to do. I always loved it. I would look at them at a glance, but they always was rolled up in my closet. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And so I switched to digital vision boards because I can control what pictures I use, the sizing. I can change the sizing quickly. When you do it on paper, if you don't print the sizing out right, you got to keep printing it or fixing it and cutting this. And if you cut it wrong, then you got to try to glue the arm back to the person, and it's just too much. And so we switched to digital. And so I have it on my desktop and on my phone, but today I'm going to share with you guys how I've created this vision board and actually share with you guys my 2023 vision board. So let's get started with the video. The first thing that you want to do is you want to set goals. I know I said that the aesthetic is very important, and it is very important, but it also serves a primary purpose, which is to remind you of the vision, right? And so it's kind of hard to do that if you don't really have your goals set for the year. And so it's super important that you spend some time prior to doing this, setting your goals and making sure that you have your SMART goals written down and accessible to you. If you haven't, I will link the SMART goals video that I just uploaded in the little cards on one of these sides. So you guys can pause this video if you like and watch that video and then come back to this video so that you set appropriate goals and now you're ready to do the fun work, which is the digital vision board. The next thing you want to do after you roll out your goals is you want to spend some time finding images that you want. I went on Pinterest to search for some images that I wanted on my vision board. I definitely will encourage you not to overload and save too many images because you don't want your vision board to get cluttered and then you kind of lose the messaging of your vision within the vision board because it's just a whole bunch of sporadic images. But you want to be really intentional when you're searching for images. One thing that I want to note is that it's super important for you to make sure that you are on your vision board. One of my friends actually put me on game to this. Amber, if you are watching this, love you, sis. But my sis, Amber, put me on game to this. She was basically telling me that when you put yourself on the vision board, it helps to actually see yourself achieving the things that are also on your board because you are one of the focal points on your vision board. And so as you can see on my 2022 vision board, I am right there in the corner on the board, and then there are other things associated on the board as well. And so you want to make sure that you have a picture of you, and then you are also searching for some aesthetically pleasing pictures. I didn't do this on purpose, but for some reason, The vision board that I did for 2023 and the vision board that I did for 2022 are in this like color-coded scheme, which I love. 2022's vision board came out with a lot more of the gray tones, slight brown tones to give it that warm vibe, and then a hint of color, magenta and green. And I love it. Like, the aesthetic is dope, so I really like it. And I know what each image means to me. And so for my 2023 board, which I will show you guys how I did that in my overall finish of my 2023 board, it came out with kind of a color scheme too. I didn't intentionally start that, but I started to, once I noticed it, I started to look for images that kind of went with the color scheme so that it was super attractive to my eye, just because I like to look at things that are like in sync in terms of color and not all over the place. And so again, like I told you guys, the primary purpose is to make sure that your vision is communicated through the vision board, right? But the second purpose is to make sure that it's also aesthetically pleasing so that you actually keep it as your backdrop all year round. If it is ugly, I am not keeping it as my backdrop. I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. That's not happening. So you can do whatever you want to do with your vision board, but if it's ugly, it's not going on my desktop. You feel me? So I made mine look cute, but again, meaningful and super important to me. So now that we're in Canva, again, I'm going to type vision board so you can see that there are templates available. So as you can see, there are tons of different templates. They're really cute too. I like them. This one's nice because the words are all around it. That's cute. I like that. But yeah, there are a couple of different designs for vision boards. So if you don't want to start from scratch, you can kind of just go through the templates, but I am going to start from scratch. So we are starting with an all white canvas, and I have already uploaded my images onto Canva. Last year I had 8, so 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. This year I have 10 because I focused my goals within 10 categories. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start and try to arrange them in the design that I want. So this is a picture of myself, and I am just going to put the picture in there. I want my vision board to be even, so I'm going to put it on the side, in the center, and then at the end, and then I'm going to start manipulating the sides. And then what I did was I just pretty much added the words that I wanted to see on here, and this is the final result of my vision board. Oopsie. So my words this year are freedom, faith, discipline, dare, and obviously dream. We officially have our backdrop for 2023. I'm so excited. It looks so good. You guys are going to be seeing this in all of my videos. What I also did is I went into Canva and I copied and resized the mobile version so that it is also on my mobile phone backdrop as well. And so everywhere I go, when I'm on my phone, I am reminded of the vision. When I'm at home working, I am reminded of the vision. And every time I am recording a video, I am reminded of the vision because it is in all of my videos. And so I am super excited for 2023. I am amped up, pumped up. I have momentum, baby. Okay, we are ready to enter the new year. I'm encouraging you, as always, to continue to dream big, stay focused. Again, the vision board helps to remind us to continue along with the vision and to do what we set our hearts out to do. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you enjoyed the process, if this video was helpful to you. I am so excited and happy New Year to you all. See you guys soon. Bye.